Ladies and gentlemen, nice to meet you. We're Theos from China, and welcome to our factory. We're a company that mainly produce lightweight sandwich panel, GRC, and UHPC. And today we're going to show you how our lightweight sandwich panel are made and how our machine works. So let's get started.
As you might see here, these are few rewards that we earned before. We're trustful. We used to cooperate with local governments, and we have been certified by national level. And we also have been participate in many national standard projects.
Firstly, this is our steam generator. The steam needed for the foaming process of our polystyrene particles is produced here, and then comes to the foaming part. These are foaming beans. This is where our polystyrene particles were firstly foamed, and then all fully foamed polystyrene particles will be piped to the required work units, and this is where our polystyrene particles were secondly foamed. Next, all industrial raw materials are fully stirred and molded here. The mixed raw materials are poured into the molding car. And this is the finished look.